Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 5 Collins English Grammar and Composition chapter number 20 conjunctions. Okay, so if you have not watched part 1 and part 2, so you can go to the playlist section and also watch. In the part 1 and part 2 we have briefly discussed about all the conjunctions, their uses that are given in your book. So in this video we will discuss about the exercise. So here let's get started. Match the phrases in column A with those in column B to form meaningful sentences, right? So here I fell asleep. Okay, so here you have to use so you have to match with C, right? I fell asleep because I was tired. Then next, Kiran was sick, but he still finished his homework, right? So here you have to match with A. So in the first one, I fell asleep because, so here because is used to show the reason, right? In the second one, Kiran was sick, but he still, that means it shows contrast, okay? The next, Minu likes to play hockey. So here and cricket, so here equal importance, right? Minu likes to play hockey, Minu likes to play cricket. So we can combine the sentence into one. Minu likes to play hockey and cricket. So you have to join with E. Then next year the cricket match took place, although it was raining. That means here although is also used to show the contrast, right? So here you have to match 4 number with B, right? The next year I had some free time, so I cleaned my room. Right? I had free time, so I cleaned my room. Right? So here you have to join 5 with D. Clear? Then next here, underline the conjunctions in these sentences. So here the first one, he can play badminton or tennis. So here or. Okay, so you have to underline or. Then next, she can't sing or dance. So here or. Then next year, you can stay in this room, but you can't go to the art room. So here but, right? Then next, although he is intelligent, he is very lazy. So here although, so you have to underline although. Then next, if the juice is sour, I will not drink it. So if, so here you have to underline if. Then next, he has a cold because he was out in the rain. So here you have to underline because. Then next, you won't get rid of the ants in the cupboard unless you clean it. So here unless. Then next, Sweta is not an actress, nor is she a singer. So here nor, right? Then next here, fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions. So here you have to use the appropriate conjunctions from the box. She cooked dash I chopped the vegetables. She cooked while. Okay, that means two actions are happening at the same time simultaneously. Okay, Hari dash Ram came looking for me. So here Hari and Ram. Then next, the bird tried to free itself from the trap, yet it didn't succeed. So here you have to use yet to show the contrast. That means the bird tried hard, but, or you can also use yet, right? Then next year, dash it was hot, he didn't switch on the fan, although. So this is also contrast, right? Here you have to use second one. Then next, I don't know about these characters. Dash I haven't read the book because. Okay, so here third one. I don't know about right. So here we can say the region. Region, okay. So why do you not know about these characters? Okay, because I haven't read the books, right? Then next here, dash you work hard, you will succeed. So here condition. If is used to show the condition. If you work hard, you will succeed. If you don't work hard, you will fail. Right? Then next here, he always lied to people. So they didn't believe him when he really needed their help, right? Because reason. So why people didn't believe him? Because he always lied to people. Right? So here you have to use so. Then next, dash I called him he was asleep. You know here timing, okay, time, that means when I called him he was asleep. Clear? Then next here, rewrite these sentences by joining them using the given conjunctions. Make other necessary changes. So here the first one, Minky is tall, Minky is slim. So here just you have to find the common part. Minky is, and you know two adjectives here provided, you know tall and slim. Now you have to join two adjectives, right? So you have to write here, okay, Minky is tall, yes, tall and slim. As you know, the conjunction is already provided in the bracket, and Minky is tall and slim, right? So here the answer, Minky is tall and slim. Okay. Then next here, I toured the city, I went to Mumbai. So here you have to write, I toured the city when. Just you have to, okay, use when here. Okay, I toured the city when I went to Mumbai. So here the answer. Here, I toured the city when I went to Mumbai. Right? Then next here, I cooked pasta, I baked garlic bread. So here you have to join and, right? So here you have to write, I cooked, okay, pasta and baked. So you know common part is here pronoun I. So just you have to write here, okay, I cooked pasta and baked garlic bread. Okay. Then next here, Sita met with an accident. Sanjay also met with an accident. So here which part is similar? So here, we met with an accident, met with an accident. So here you have to, okay, join, you know, two noun, Sanjay and Sita. So here you have to write Sita and Sanjay. Okay. So here, Sita and Sanjay met with an accident. So here you know two nouns are joined by a conjunction and, right? Then next here, we haven't met for a long time. I came to see you. So here you have to write, okay, so we haven't met for a long time, so I came to see you, right? So here you have to write, we haven't met for a long time, so I came to see you. Then next here, Minu sent me an urgent email. I was away. So you know here while to indicate the time. Okay, Minu sent me an urgent email while I was away. So here yes, Minu sent me an urgent email while I was away. Right? Then next here, I will let you go out to play. You complete your homework. So you know here condition. If is provided, here conjunction. If is provided. So here you have to write, if you complete your homework, I will let you go out to play. So this is a condition. Okay. So here you have to write, yes, I will let you go out to play if you complete your homework. Right? Or you can also use in the beginning, if you complete your homework, I will let you go out to play. Right? Then next question here, a boat is big, a ship is bigger. Right? So you know here positive degree is used, and you know here comparative degree. Big, bigger, biggest. Adjective, okay? So here you have to write, a boat is big, but a ship is bigger. Contrast. Okay? Clear? Then next here, join the sentences using suitable conjunctions. Make other necessary changes. She is friendly. She is popular. So you know here which part is common? She is. Here you have to join two adjectives, friendly and popular. So now you have to use and, right? So here, she is friendly and popular. Okay? Then next here, he didn't complete his homework. He didn't come to school. So you know which part is similar here, common? He didn't. Right? So you know here both sentence is in negative, right? So here you have to use nor. Okay, nor. So here you have to write he didn't complete his homework, nor did he come to school, right? Nor did he come to school. So here the answer, here he didn't complete his homework, nor did he come to school. Clear? Then next here, she was not a close friend, she helped me when I needed it. So this is a contrast. To show contrast, so now you have to use though he was not a close friend, she helped me when I needed it, right? So here the answer, though she was not a close friend, she helped me when I needed it, right? Then next question here, the book is heavy, I can't carry it in my bag. So here reason to show cause why you can't carry it. Okay, why you can't carry your bag? Because the book is so heavy, right? So here you have to use so, right? Here the book is heavy, so I can't carry it in my bag. Then next here, he tried hard, he didn't succeed. So this is also contrast. He tried hard but didn't succeed, right? So here you have to use but. So he tried hard but he didn't succeed. Or you can also use here though he tried hard, he didn't succeed, right? So here though can be accepted. Though he tried hard, he didn't succeed. Though is also used to show contrast. Then next here, sometimes he sells apples, sometimes he sells pears. So which part is common, right? Sometimes he sells, sometimes he sells. So now you have to join two nouns, apples and pears. So here you have to use or. Okay, so sometimes he sells apples or pears. So here, right here, sometimes he sells apples or pears, right? Then next here, he prepared well for the exam, he came first in the class, right? He prepared well for the exam, so he came first in the class. So here you okay, so will be used. Reason, so why he came first? As he prepared well for the exam, he came first. So here as can be used, right? So here the answer, he prepared well for the exam, so he came first in class. Then next here, he doesn't drive, he doesn't want to take a bus. So here both sentences are in negative. So here you have to use nor. Okay, nor. So he doesn't drive, nor does he want to take a bus, right? He doesn't drive, nor does he want to take a bus. Clear? Then next here, let's write Rohit's sister is taking part in a quiz competition. He has written a letter to her giving her advice. Complete it using appropriate conjunctions. So here, dear Richa, I heard from mother that you are taking part in the annual quiz competition at school. Since you are the youngest quizzer in the competition, so here since, right? All eyes will be on you. Next here, as you read the newspaper daily, you will be prepared for the current affairs section. If you read, right? Condition, it will be good if you can read a few general knowledge books and magazines. Okay, you have 2 months to prepare for the quiz, but don't leave everything for the last week. So here but. While learning learning new things, remember to revise what you have learned before. Be sure of yourself, but don't be overconfident, right? You will do well. So here you are affectionately Rohit. Clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.